Introduction to Geometric Modeling. Geometric modeling is a fundamental concept of the field of computer graphics, computer-aided design, engineering, architecture, and various other disciplines. It serves as a powerful tool for representing and manipulating shape, object, and structure in the digital realm. At its core, geometric modeling is the art and science of creating mathematical representation of real-world entities, enabling precise analysis, visualization, and design. This introductory exploration into geometric modeling will provide an overview of its importance, its various applications, and the key principles that underpin this essential aspect of modern computing. Importance of geometric modeling. In a world increasingly driven by digital technology, geometric modeling plays a pivotal role in numerous industry and applications. Engineering and manufacturing. Engineers and product designers rely on geometric models to create and analyze integrate mechanical components, ensuring functionalities, efficiency, and safety. This process reduces prototyping costs and accelerates product development. Architecture and construction. Architects use geometric modeling to design building and structure, simulating how they look and function before construction begins. It aids in precise measurement and coordination among various building components. Computer graphics and animation. The entertainment industry employs geometric modeling to create lifelike characters, environment, and special effects in movies, video games, and visual reality experiences. Medical imaging and simulation. Geometric models are crucial in medical imaging, enabling the reconstruction of 3D representation to 2D medical scan, as well as simulation for surgical planning and training. Computer-aided design, or CAD. Software relies heavily on geometric modeling to facilitate the creation and modification of detailed design for product, machinery, and infrastructure. Scientific visualization. Researchers use geometric modeling to represent complex scientific data, such as molecular structure, fluid dynamic, and climate simulation, aiding understanding and discovery. Key principle of geometric modeling. Geometric modeling relies on several foundational principles and techniques. Mathematical representation. Geometric objects are described using mathematical equations, parametric curves, surface, and solid. This mathematical representation allows precision and accuracy in describing shapes. Parametric modeling. Parametric modeling involves defining objects in terms of parameters, making it easy to modify and adapt design. Change to parameters automatically update the geometry. BREP and CREP, boundary representation and constructive solid geometry, are common methods for representing 3D objects. BREP defines objects by their boundaries, edge, faces, while CREP defines objects through Boolean operation of primitive shape. Interpolation and approximation. Geometric modeling often uses interpolation and approximation techniques to create smooth curves and surfaces that mimic real-world objects. Rendering and visualization. Once geometric models are created, rendering techniques are applied to convert them into the visual representation. Lighting, shading, and texture mapping contribute to realistic visuals. Lastly, the numerical methods. Computational techniques such as numerical analysis, optimization, play a role in solving geometric problems and ensuring the accuracy of the models. In conclusion, geometric modeling is a cornerstone of modern computational science and technology, facilitating innovation and creativity across a wide range of industries. Its ability to bridge physical and digital world through precise mathematical representation empower professionals and researchers to envision, design, analyze, and simulate complex objects and phenomena with remarkable accuracy and efficiency. This introductory overview serves as a starting point for exploring the depth and breadth of geometric modeling and its myriad application in the digital age.
Representation of curves and surface in geometric modeling. In geometric modeling, the representation of curves and surfaces is fundamental for describing and manipulating complex shapes, whether in computer-aided design or CAD, computer graphic, engineering, or other fields. These representations are crucial for various purposes, including visualization, analysis, and manufacturing. This overview discusses some of the common methods used to represent curves and surfaces in the context geometric modeling. Representation of curves. Number 1. Parametric curves. Parametric curves are defined by one or more functions where our parameter value corresponds to a specific point on the curve. Common parametric curve included line segment. Line segment defined by linear equation. Bezier curves, controlled by control points and widely used in graphic and CAD. B-spline curves. Piecewise defined curves with smooth transition between segments, often used modeling complex shape. Nerves. Non-uniform rational B-spline curves. Extend B-spline by introducing weight, allowing greater control over curve shape. Number 2. Implicit curve. Implicit curves are defined by equation in form of f x and y equals 0, where x and y are coordinates. Example included circles. X raised to 2 plus y to the second power equals r to the second power, and ellipse. Piecewise curves. Piecewise curves are made up of multiple segments, each defined by a different equation or parameterization. These are used for creating complex curves. Consists of various segments with different characteristics. Interpolation and approximation. Interpolation techniques ensure that a curve passes through specified points, while approximation methods generate curves that best fit a set of points. Example included Hermite interpolation, spline interpolation, and least square fitting. And for the Representation of surface. Parametric surface are defined by function with two parameters, typically u and v, that map to points on the surface. Common parametric surface included quadrics represented by second degree equation. Bezier surface controlled by control points extension of Bezier curves to two dimension. B-line surface, piecewise defined surface with smooth transition between segment. Nerve surface, extension of nerve surface allowing control over shape and weight. Implicit surface are defined by equation in three-dimensional space, often as f open parenthesis x, y, and z close parenthesis equals 0. Examples are spheres open parenthesis x power of 2 plus y power of 2 plus z equals r2 open parenthesis, and places open parenthesis x ax plus by plus cz plus d, it equals to 0. Mesh representation are composed of vertical edge and face, the appropriate shape of the surface. Triangle and quadrilateral meshes are common choice for representing complex surface. Triangle meshes are especially popular in computer graphics due to their simplicity and efficiency. Subdivision surfaces start with a coarse mesh and it reliably refine it to create smoother and more detailed surface. They are widely used in computer graphics for modeling organic shape. Volcanic representation. In some applications, surfaces are represented as boundaries of 3D volumes, often using vowel grinds or other volumetric data structure. Point clouds represent surface as a collection of individual points in 3D space. They are often used in 3D scanning and point cloud processing. Choosing the appropriate representation for curves and surfaces defined on the specific application required for accuracy, efficiency, and ease of manipulation. In practice, a combination of these representation may be employed with a single geometric modeling system to address different aspects of the design and modeling process. Thank you.
Mesh representation and data structure in geometric modeling. Mesh representation is a fundamental concept in geometric modeling, computer graphics, and computational geometry. It is a widely used technique for approximating complex shape and surface by breaking them down into simpler elements such as vertices, edges, and faces. Meshes are versatile and find application in fields like computer-aided design, computer graphics, finite element analysis, and more. To efficiently work with meshes, various data structures are employed. This overview explores mesh representation and associated data structure. Mesh representation. Number 1. Vertex, edge, and face. Mesh is typically composed of three primary elements. Vertices. There are points in 3D space and serve as the basic building blocks of the mesh. Edges. Edge connect pairs of vertices and define the mesh connectivity. Faces. Faces are composed of set, connected edge and vertices and represent the surface of the mesh. Vertex properties. Each vertex can store additional data such as position, coordinate, normals, texture, coordinate, colors, and custom attribute. These properties are crucial for rendering and analysis. Number 3. Polygonal meshes or mesh. Most common mesh are polygonal, consisting of triangles or quadrilaterals. Triangular mesh are particularly popular due to their simplicity and efficiency. Quad and sided polygon. Some mesh representation allow polygons with more than 4 sides, but triangle and quads are preferred for their regularity and simplicity. Number 5. Topology. The topology of a mesh defines how vertices, edges, and faces are connected. It determines the shape of structure of the mesh. 6. Oriented versus non-oriented mesh. In oriented mesh, the winding order of vertices in a face matter, clockwise versus counterclockwise.
Pasok bukas sana.
Whereas non-oriented mesh do not consider winding order.
Sorry.
Data structure for mesh. Number 1. Half-edge data structure. This data structure represents a mesh by splitting each edge into two half-edges, simplifying navigation and operation. Efficiently stored topological information. Number 2. Doubly connected edge list, DCEL, is a versatile data structure for representing planar subdivision, including polygonal meshes. It stores information about vertices, edges, and faces, making it suitable for various algorithms. Vertex Face Edge, VFE, is a simple data structure that links vertices, faces, and edge, directly allowing for efficient traversal and manipulation. Adjacency list. The list stores neighboring elements for each vertex, edge or face. They are useful for local operation and traversal. Vertex buffer object. In computer graphics, BBOs store vertex data efficiently in GPU memory for rendering, reducing data transferring between CPU and GPU. Index mesh. Index mesh store vertex data separately from the index data, reducing redundancy and memory usage. Octrees and KD trees. This spatial data structure can be used to accelerate collision detection, ray tracing, and other geometric operation on mesh. Level of detail, LOD structure. represent mesh as a multiple resolution, optimizing rendering performance by using simpler representation for distant object. Spatial partitioning techniques like binary space partitioning, trace and bounding, volume hierarchies help accelerate intersection tests and ray tracing. Unified data structure. Some software libraries and engines use unified data structure that combine geometric and topological information, make it easier to work complex meshes. Efficient data structure for meshes are essential for tasks such as rendering, collision detection, and mesh manipulation. The choice of data structure depends on the specific requirement of the application and the type of operation that need to be performed on mesh. Thank you.